welcome to today's weekly festive vlog. So I swear I was like wearing this jumper like when I started the last week's vlog, but there we go. So it is a nice sunny day, which is very good for December. We are actually seeing Tim's parents and sister's boyfriend today, and we're all going out for a really nice meal. We're going for an Indian, which I know is not Christmassy at all, but we just thought it would be something really nice to do. Yesterday, my friend came round for dinner and we got takeout, and she also went to this local bakery and got these chocolate and hazelnut cronuts, which we'd never tried before, but was so tasty. It's a few hours later now and we are back from the Indian. It was divine. So Tim and I shared a chicken tikka masala, a lamb pasanda, a mushroom rice and a peshwari naan, and then I don't know what everybody else had, but I got a few little like clips of it. It was really nice, something a bit different for the festive season that isn't particularly festive, but the place we went to is rated like the best curry place in the county that we're in. So yeah, it was good, portions were massive, and yeah, just absolutely stuffed now. I think the plan now for the rest of, I say this afternoon, it's nearly 4 o'clock, probably this evening, is might do a little craft. If not, then I'll probably do a little like Christmassy craft tomorrow. We're probably going to watch a Christmas movie. I will probably have a bath and yeah, just chill out, do some editing and enjoy the rest of our Saturday. So I'm just making a coffee, and not very exciting, but it is this Nescafe decaf, which actually we haven't had before, so I'm very excited for. We've also got a little dessert that we're going to share, which has come from a local bakery. It is this Christmas pudding, and I think it's like almost like Rice Krispie cake, but it's covered in chocolate. It's obviously got some icing on the top and just looks like a nice cute Christmas pudding. So we're going to have a coffee and share that and finish watching Home Alone, which is what we're currently watching. It's now the next day, and excuse my face, but obviously I haven't put any makeup on yet. The plan for today is, well, we've had breakfast. We did like a breakfast wrap with like hash browns and stuff in, which was really nice. I don't think I actually got any clips of that, but there we go. Just gonna have a cup of tea now. Gonna do like a few little crafty bits later. I've got a few sets that I got from the work, so I'm gonna have a look through those and then pick a couple and do those, because I like doing crafty bits, although I'm not particularly artistic, so that will be fun. Tim is actually making some really cool Christmas pudding things that he found on TikTok, so maybe I will show you a little bit of that, or maybe just show it like done, and then you can watch his video to see how they're actually done. So this is the Christmas puddings all shaped. We just need to set them in the fridge and then we can decorate them. Here are the puddings done. So they've got white chocolate melted on the top, and then we've just popped Glamour and Sparkle sprinkles on them. So it is a bit later on now, as you can tell. I've finally got some makeup on, but we're just watching a movie. We're actually watching Home Alone 2 because we watched Home Alone yesterday, and got some dinner in the oven, which I will show you a bit later as well. We're having like spicy bean burgers with some curly fries, so looking forward to that. I've edited a video today, so that's just exporting, and yeah, I really need to have a look at these crafts and decide which ones I'm going to do, because I have quite a lot of different ones. Looking forward to doing those. So I'm going to just show you all of the different crafts that I have, and I've actually decided that I'm going to do this one this evening. So it's these little foam decorations. There's a little Santa Claus and a snowman. These actually came from the works, and as you can see, were only £1. And it's just sort of all foamy bits that stick together. So I thought this would be quite easy. Thought the cross stitch would be a bit long-winded for this evening, and I think even like the sewing ones, I thought I'll maybe do those a bit later on in the week. So yeah, gonna make these and I'll show you what they look like. I've moved to the floor, don't know why, and I'm gonna do the Father Christmas first, I think. So let's get this all opened up. So I've now made my little foam Father Christmas. I know his eyes are a bit wonky, but I think that's really, really cute. I'm going to find somewhere to hang this up, and I'm also just going to make the snowman, which I think is going to be a bit quicker because it's got less bits to stick on, and I will show you that once it's done. I've made my little snowman as well, so I think together these look really cute. I think also pretty good value for £1. I'm sure these will fare being stored up as well till next year. My cats are very interested in what I've got here, so yeah, I'm gonna find a little place for these to hang up. So I've got dinner now. I think I mentioned before, but I've got spicy bean burger with some like tomato and red pepper relish, and then on the side is some curly fries that we've actually seasoned with a bit of sage just to give them a little bit of a festive twist. So I'm going to tuck into that, carry on with Home Alone 2 and enjoy the rest of the evening. So it's very obviously another day, and I've just finished filming another video, which is really exciting, and just waiting for Tim to get home from work now. And I think we're going to go out for a Costa because we've not actually had a chance to try any of the Christmas drinks at Costa. We've tried a couple of Starbucks ones and also Cafe Nero, but yeah, I just haven't got around to trying out Costa yet. I think I'm gonna go for the toffee penny latte. I think that's what it is. So, well, we'll just see what I get when I get there. And then the plan when we get back from Costa is to make a vegan roast dinner for dinner. So very excited about that, and I'll show you exactly what we're having a bit later. First of all, here's the kitties. Are you okay, kitties? You look exhausted. You've been busy. So back home from Costa now, and I did opt to go for the toffee penny latte, which was really, really good. It wasn't as like sweet as the Starbucks toffee latte, which I liked. It was definitely that more, I don't know, buttery, deeper flavour of like caramel / toffee, and you got a little toffee penny on the side as well, which I thought was really cute. Obviously, yeah, back home now, going to get a bit started for our vegan roast, which I'm really, really looking forward to. So I've prepped all of the veg for the vegan roast, and then this is what we're actually having. So it's the Plant Chef Festive Nut Loaf and Gravy from Tesco's. It's got mushrooms, peanuts, hazelnuts, cranberries and apricot, and I don't know, it looks kind of maybe a bit funky, but I'm sure it will be really nice. So I've got my vegan Christmas dinner now. It looks absolutely delicious. That nut roast has gone all like crispy around the edges, and the gravy it came with also smells really nice. They're going to tuck in and yeah, probably give you a little review at the end. So I've just finished up my vegan roast dinner, and I do have to say that it was really, really tasty. I really liked how the nut loaf went a bit crispy on the edge, and I think the overwhelming flavour of it was mushroom as opposed to nuts, which was good. Definitely tasted very festive, and I also liked the gravy on the top as well. That added like a little extra element to it. Everything else was really nice. Obviously I fully expected to like the vegetables, the potatoes, the parsnips. I think I did miss Yorkshire puddings a little bit. I do usually have them on a roast, so I probably missed those more than I missed the actual meat. I was definitely surprised that the beef gravy was vegan. You would have thought, being called beef gravy, it might have a tiny bit of beef in it, but obviously not. I mean, it's not a bad thing. Obviously then it caters for everyone. And yeah, just overall thought it was a really nice roast, and thought the nut loaf, yeah, was really good, and probably will get it again. Don't think it's going to replace my Christmas Day dinner of turkey or chicken or gammon or whatever we decide to have, but for another meal, yeah, definitely get it again. So we've just had our dinner, which was veggie fajitas, which were really nice. We just had like pepper and onion and sweet corn and tomatoes. So yeah, nice and tasty, but I appreciate not particularly festive. We are now, however, going out for a couple of drinks at one of our favourite local places. They do normally have like a Christmas cocktail menu, but I haven't seen anything about this year. So we'll see when we get there what they've got. If not, then I'll just have a normal cocktail. So we're back home now. Still got my coat and hat on. It's absolutely Baltic out there. So had a really nice time. I had 2 cocktails because they were on offer. So I had an elderflower rosé cooler, which was really, really nice, and then a Long Island spiced iced tea, which was also really nice. It's really busy there actually. Yeah, it's one of our favourite little local spots. Good atmosphere and good drinks. We've eaten there like a million times, but obviously had dinner before we went out. Plan is now for the rest of the evening, I think we're going to watch the Santa Claus 2. Obviously we're going to pop on all the Christmas lights, probably a couple of candles, and just make it all cozy in here. Oh, and we've also got some mince pies from the Tesco's bakery to have, so that will be like our little dessert for the evening. It is now the next day, and haven't put any makeup on yet, as you can tell, but I will be at some point later. Just sat down to have some lunch. I've actually got a like veggie pizza wrap thing. It will make more sense when you see pictures of it. It's not like wrapped up, it is like flat, but yeah, just had some leftover wraps and veggies from the fajitas yesterday. Also, other exciting thing is that we have finally got the Christmas TV guide, which is literally the only time of year we ever buy a TV guide, because I like to go through and just see what shows are on, what movies, what things I might like to watch over Christmas, and all the way up actually to New Year's Eve. So yeah, I'm gonna have some lunch. So we've just been to Tesco's to pick up a few bits for a video that Tim's actually filming a bit later on today. I think the plan is also I'm going to make some gingerbread in a little bit after I've got the shopping away and like chilled out for a bit. So got some really good deals in Tesco's actually. We've got 6 J2Os on club card price for £3, and they've got big bottles of Baileys down from £20 to £9.50 on club card. So picked up one of those. A few other nibbles. We've got like some stuff for Christmas time, like some pickles and chutneys and all that kind of thing. So yeah, all kind of coming together now. So he's going to get everything away, chill out for a little bit. I was going to put makeup on, but I've decided I really can't be bothered now. I'm filming a makeup video tomorrow, so I'll just leave my face until then. But yeah, time to put the shopping away, have a little chill with a coffee, and then probably the next thing you'll see is making gingerbread. So this is the recipe that I've used before. It is actually really, really easy. Literally a handful of ingredients, so yeah. And there is the dough all made for the gingerbread. So I just need to leave that to cool down and then I can get my shapes cut out. Gingerbread is done, so I'm just going to transfer it from this tray to this cooling rack and then leave it to cool. I just thought I would wrap up a few gifts that needed wrapping up, and the amount of packaging left over is actually insane. Look at all this cardboard. Absolutely ridiculous. So it's the last day of this week's weekly festive vlog, and I've just filmed another makeup video, which I don't actually think it's coming out till January, but it doesn't hurt to be prepared. Plan is for today is that we are seeing my parents. I think they'll literally be around in like 10 minutes, so just gonna have a coffee, probably like a bit of cake or something with them. Haven't really done a lot this morning, just done some editing, filming, general household bits to kind of finish off the weekend. But the plan for this evening actually is to get Domino's, and we're trying the festive pizza, and I don't think I've ever tried a festive pizza from like one of the big chains like Pizza Hut, Domino's, etc., because normally there's something about them that I don't like they've got like a weird base or like some gravy on, or you know, brie, or I mean, who likes brie really? But the one this year actually looks really good, so we're getting that for dinner, and I will probably just show you that later. So I hope that you enjoyed this week's weekly vlog. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.